The liver is the largest gland in the body, probably because it performs many hundreds of important functions. One of its jobs is to convert T4 to T3, the active thyroid hormone, responsible for regulating our metabolism, our body temperature, and our energy. So if the liver is overloaded from the effects of stress, for example, excess cortisol from the adrenals, this is a case of congestion and happens because cortisol also fits in the receptor sites on the liver in the same way T3 does, but doesn't function at all. The thyroid gland is composed of two lobes that bestride the windpipe in front of the neck. The two hormones produced by the thyroid, T4 and T3, the numbers denoting the number of iodine atoms, have different functions. T4 is inactive, circulating in the blood until it is broken down by enzymes to T3, the active thyroid hormone, which enters the cells such as the bones, heart, liver, etc. When T4 is getting low in the blood, the pituitary gland is activated to secrete TSH, also known as thyroid-stimulating hormone. This is the hormone that, when released from the pituitary, tells the thyroid to make more T4 and T3, which again enters the blood. The endocrine system is composed of glands that produce hormones. Hormones are like messengers. They travel to different parts of the body where they have a job to do. As you saw in the first clip, when there are chronically high levels of cortisol from stress, the liver's normal detoxification activities get cut off, at least for a while. When there is too much of the thyroid hormone T3 in circulation, because the liver could not receive it because cortisol has taken T3's place in the liver, the pituitary will not be signaled to produce TSH, which is the thyroid-stimulating hormone, which tells the thyroid to produce more thyroid hormone and ultimately our energy. This is one possible reason why people with hypothyroidism experience great fatigue, but in many cases it's not a problem with the thyroid gland at all. High cortisol levels contribute to fat around the belly, and thyroid hormone depletion from chronic stress all work to ensure we feel physically tired and mentally foggy all the time.